The Broadband Consortium of the Pacific Coast is the funded collaborative tasked with convening regional stakeholders and partners to create, deploy, and deliver broadband for all. In our communities today, we find ourselves disconnected, discouraged, and distracted. There is a solution. Broadband is the fourth utility. It is the key, the bridge, and the power for our future communities. Today's leaders will recognize this vision as both compelling and necessary. Our aim is to build a resource pool of exceptional individuals within our communities to make this happen. What do we do to get broadband for all? A place where people are connected, where people have resources, and where we are pursuing our dreams. As the fourth utility, broadband provides opportunity for all to engage. Where water quenches thirst and electricity and gas heat homes, broadband creates and grows communities. It doesn't care who we are, high or low in social standing, we're all the same. It doesn't limit access. We can all go anywhere and do anything. It provides unlimited opportunity. With digital literacy, we can follow our dreams and create our future. Achieving this vision occurs through connections for all of us. Broadband provides the progressive rungs towards growth for people and communities. We believe that inspiration combined with innovation and perspiration can forge a new path. So how does this occur? But why discuss broadband when there are so many other challenges to address? The reason is that access to the internet is not just another issue. Rather, it is a foundational community connection on which all problem-solving efforts rely. When looking at all the issues to solve, broadband should be the first and primary thing if civic leaders intend to create the community of the future. Broadband is the infrastructure that links all needs of the community and the people that live there. It enables conversation, commerce, and collaboration. It allows for tangible outcomes through virtualization. Broadband enables us to bypass that which divides us. What is the next step? Where do we start? The studies are complete. The requirements are known. The journey is understood, and the road forward is increasingly well traveled. We fulfill our purpose as the Broadband Consortium when we act. It's time to start climbing. The first rung relies on civic leadership necessary to recognize the vision and make it real. It is a conversation between public and private, business and community, partisan and nonpartisan about connection and building up capacity. This conversation fosters solutions as we imagine and identify ways and means, a path for connection and development of a community network. This includes management of the physical fiber, its use and maintenance, and deployment and management of community connection to the fiber. With solutions defined, we have set up unique community-connected mechanisms to address and enable the many initiatives that respond to needs. These stakeholder-led conversations foster responsiveness as conditions change and new technologies emerge. Let's get started on our unique journey. In climbing the ladder, we realize that this includes everyone, the entire community, the public, private, and not-for-profit stakeholders. The first rung of the ladder involves convening a group to survey existing assets for creating and maintaining a community network. Collaborative funding will accelerate the establishment and delivery of this rung. Think about music. The second rung is the opportunity for organizations with different strengths to create a jam session of sorts, where the jam is the project. The music is playing now. The entire community becomes part of the dance. There's room for everyone that wants to participate. The third rung of the ladder assembles the community's assets in a manner where we can innovate projects and deploy new capacity. We now have the flexibility to address the unique challenges recognized within our community, setting the stage for a successful smart city. This is a value-creating system that will attract the general population, enabling a new idea and execution cycle. The outcome of these three rungs are mechanisms that engage stakeholders, resolve equity issues, and result in unique, forward-looking problem solving for our newly connected community.